In other news, the first Filipino humanitarian mission to Myanmar just returned last night after a fortnight of relief and recovery assistance to earthquake victims there, notwithstanding the challenges of culture and language barriers. As a result, the Department of Health stressed it can now dispatch a second or follow-up humanitarian mission at a moment's notice if a request is formally made. Our Bian Manalo fills us in with more.
The Department of Health assured the country is ready to send an additional contingent to Myanmar if the government of Myanmar requests it. The Health Department also assured that the medical team to be sent to Myanmar, which is categorized by the World Health Organization as a Type 1 fixed hospital, is self-sustaining.
There is no request as of this time. Maghihintay kami ng request at then sisiyasatin namin kung anong specific needs na ang nire-request nila and kung kaya natin tugunan.
Meanwhile, aboard a C-130 cargo aircraft, the 89-man team of the Philippine Humanitarian Contingent Team arrived in the country last night. It was dispatched to Myanmar to help in the search and rescue operations there, which lasted for almost 2 weeks. The team's response was not easy. The differences in culture and language were a huge challenge for them.
One of the first challenge po na na-encounter namin was yung communication kasi magkaiba po yung language namin. But we were given interpreters ng OCD. And then during dun po sa operation namin sa Pianmina, may mga nag-volunteer po mga student and Filipino teachers na tumulong po sa amin para maka-communicate po kami ng mabuti sa mga pasyente. And the next po was the weather. Kasi umabot po ng 45.1 yung temperature doon. So inom lang po ng water.
They have provided aid to more than 1,000 Filipinos. Most are injured and still in need of medical attention. They are also focusing on providing psychosocial support to those severely affected by the disaster. In fact, an 8-member team from the Department of Social Welfare and Development has arrived in Yangon, Myanmar to provide psychological first aid.
Kahapon nagpadala din tayo ng 4 na team for psychosocial support. Sa Yangon naman sila. Sa Yangon sila assigned. Ang mission naman nila to help yung mga Filipinos na suffering from psychosocial problems because of the effect ng earthquake. So, support naman natin yon. I think yung embassy sa Yangon ang tumutulong sa kanila.
Meanwhile, the search for 2 missing Filipinos in Mandalay, Myanmar is still active. The Department of Migrant Workers assured to continue monitoring the condition of our OFWs affected by the strong earthquake. Bian Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.